Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I am back again with another job notification for all of you, and this time this job notification is coming from Madhya Pradesh Madhya Kshetra Vidyut Vitran Company Limited. Okay, so they are advertising for the recruitment of various cadres in assistant engineer on contractual basis. Okay, so this is a job based on contractual basis. So it is a government of MP companies which supplies power to the citizens of Bhopal, Narmadapuram, Gwalior, Chambal, commissionaries of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now, what are the vacancies? Assistant manager electrical, assistant engineer or manager in electrical. Total vacancies 21. Assistant manager or engineer in IT. Total vacancies are 17. Okay. So, as per the Energy Department letter dated 23rd of May 2023, the result of 87% excluding 13% post reserved for OBC, the above cited post will be declared. Assistant Manager Electrical total of 18 and Assistant Manager IT total of 15. Okay. 13% they have reserved for OBC, and after that the vacancies are 18 and 15. Okay. Result of 13 posts which are reserved for OBC, 3 posts in electrical and 2 posts in IT. Okay. Now, what is the qualification required? You must have a regular BE or BTech degree in electrical or triple E. Two branches are being accepted, electrical and triple E, from AICTE or UGC approved university with minimum 65% marks. And marks for OBC category is 55% and even for SC ST. Okay. Valid gate scorecard in the relevant stream. So your gate score needs to be in the electrical engineering, whether you belong to electrical or triple E. You must have a valid gate score in double E. 10% relaxation in the qualifying marks to EWS category. Okay. Now, maximum age limit for unreserved category 43 years and for reserved category that is 48 years. Minimum age is 21 years. Okay. Date of birth of the candidate which is mentioned on the high school higher secondary mark sheet, which clearly mentions the actual date of birth, will be considered. Your class 10 certificate will be considered as a date of birth proof. Person awarded with Vikram award will be given a relaxation of 5 years. Okay. So these are some general conditions that are given. But how do you apply? You go to this website portal.mpcz.in. Okay. So you have to apply online. No manual or paper application will be accepted. Read the instruction carefully and fill in the application form in accurate information. After successful registration, computer will give you an application sequence number. You need to have a printout of the registration slip which will be generated by the system. Once the category is mentioned in the application form, you cannot change your category under any circumstances. Following documents are needed: class 10th mark sheet as a date of birth proof, 12th board mark sheet or engineering diploma, mark sheet for BE, BTech of all semester, valid gate scorecard. So they are not telling you which year scorecard they need. So even if you have an older scorecard, that you can apply. And I believe not more than 3 years they will consider, which is the standard norm by the gate as well. MP domicile certificate, Aadhaar card. Okay. For candidate belonging to MP state. Okay. So if you are seeking any relaxation based on your MP domicile, you need to upload the MP domicile certificate. In case you are from outside, you are not from MP, you do not need this certificate. Caste certificate, medical disability certificate. Okay. Candidate of OBC category has to submit the income certificate issued by the Tehsildar. EWS category had to submit the income and the asset certificate. Okay. Latest photograph and signature, and if you are currently working, you need a NOC. Application fees for unreserved category is 1200 including GST. Reserved category of MP domicile is 600 including GST. You can submit your application online. Selection process: online application will be submitted. Then they will select on the basis of rank in your gate scorecard. If gate score of 2 or more candidate is same, then older candidate will be given a preference. In case of same date of birth, If you have a higher marks in your qualifying degree, you will be given a preference. Suppose GATE score is equal, date of birth is also same, then your BTech marks will be considered. Okay. And if all the conditions are same, GATE score is same, date of birth is same, your BTech marks are same, then your class 10th marks will be considered. Okay. So based on the merit list, you will be selected and they will call you for document verification. Okay. And category wise list will be prepared for the candidates, and there you can go for document verification. Minimum 15 days time will be given for document verification. If you do not come for document verification on the given date and time, your candidature will be rejected. Validity of merit list will be 1 year from the date of declaration of result. Waiting list will be prepared as per the requirement of the company. That is, merit list will be valid for 1 year. Still, if the candidates are not joining, then after 1 year, they'll consider the waiting list. Okay. Post be reserved for SC, ST, OBC, EWS candidate of MP domicile as prescribed by GOMP wide gazette notification. Okay. So SC, ST, EWS candidates have the vacancies reserved only for MP domicile. These are given certain information regarding the reservation. Contract agreement. You will have a contract agreement of 500 rupees valid for a period of 1 year. Okay. So if you are having some misconduct, if you are not behaving properly, minor misconduct, your 1 month contractual lump sum amount they will deduct, or they will recover the losses caused by the candidate and such losses determined by the company authority. Major penalty, if you have certain big misconduct, they might terminate you. What is the salary? The salary is basically 56,100 and it will be increased on completion of 1 year, and the amount will be rounded off to the next 100 rupees. Suppose the increment after increment it is coming 60,099. So it will become 60,100. So next 100 rupees they will round it off. 60,045 will also become 60,100. Contract tenure is for 1 year, which will be extended by the company authority on same terms and condition if the performance is found satisfactory. Okay. At the time of appraisal, if your performance is good, they'll extend it. Otherwise, it is for 1 year. And they might also terminate your agreement based on 1 month notice. Contract engagement shall be governed by the contract policy, and you have to join the duty within the 30 days after issue of the order. Otherwise, your candidature will be rejected. Okay. So all these are general conditions that you can go through. Reference check, character verification, caste verification, notice period, as I told, 1 month notice they can give you and then they can terminate you. All these documents I have already told you are required. Okay. Service agreement, that is the surety bond. Okay. 4 copies of passport size photograph. This also you need to carry for document verification. Character certificate attested by a gazetted officer. Biodata, that is your resume. Address proof. Okay. Surety has to be preferably a government servant. If you are a government servant, you need to have a surety. Photo ID proof, medical fitness, 2 copies of police verification form. And if your application is found to be incorrect, that is your data is found to be incorrect, they may terminate your candidature. Now, basically the most important points are that the application is starting from 26th of September and the last date will be 10th of October. Secondly, that the criteria for selection is your GATE score. Make sure that you have a GATE score in the past 3 years, not before that. Other than that, your class 10th mark sheet will be acting as a date of birth proof. Other than that, your BE BTech score will also be considered for your merit list. Okay. After merit list, they'll just verify the documents. The application fees is 1200 including GST. You can go to their website, you can apply. But before doing anything, just make sure that you go through this notification carefully. We'll put the link in the description of the video. You can just open this PDF, you can go through it once and then only you should decide whether or not you wish to apply. Okay. That is the most important part, bacho. Make sure that you do all of this before deciding whether or not you wish to apply. Okay. So that will be all from my side. And one more important information बच्चों, that our Umeed batch is starting from 2nd of October. That is a rank improvement cum crash course batch in which we will be covering the entire syllabus quickly as a revision with questions and assignments, okay, along with your doubt clearing and subject test. The price is 9,000 including GST, but up to 30th of September, you are getting 20% off using the code RIB20. Similar batch we have for EC, which is Unnati batch. It is also starting from the same date. Here also you are getting 20% off, but the fees is less than electrical. It is 6,500. You will get it at 5,200 including GST, but only up to 30th of September. And on our regular batch, June batch, we are providing you a 50% off using the code ED50, that is exam dose 50. So do not miss this opportunity. Make best of this opportunity. And in case you do not wish to join any of these batches, you can purchase our test series at 10% discount using the code Ankit ESE. Okay. So that will be all from my side. You can also buy machines recorded course at 40% off using EM40, power system live course at 20% off using PS20. Okay. And test series at 10% off using code Ankit ESE. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you soon, guys. If you have any queries regarding this notification, post that in the comment section of the video. In case you wish to talk to me or my team about anything, any matter that is concerning you, message us on our WhatsApp number 70890 47561. Thank you.